What is up, cryptocurrency investors? My name's Landon. You're watching Crypto Review Central. If you are a cryptocurrency investor or are interested in this space, subscribing is a good idea. I provide market analysis as well as trending topics every day. So if it's happening in the cryptocurrency space, you can be sure to find it here. We're giving away $50 in Bitcoin once we hit 200 likes on a video. So once you're finished watching this video, remember to hit that like button if you found it informative. We're a growing community of like-minded individuals sharing ideas and amazing, thought-provoking engagements, and I welcome both new and old viewers to the CRC crew. The investor base has been enduring a bear market for quite some time, very recently seeing several bull traps and hints of a trend reversal. We are still on the up right now compared to where we've been, yet to break $300 billion though, so until that actually happens, I really don't think the bulls are going to come in full force. Nevertheless, development remains rampant. Governments are increasingly investigating cryptocurrencies and defining them, creating a paradigm with which to tax and treat these assets legally. The European Parliament recently has made headlines presenting a supportive stance on digital assets in the Eurozone, suggesting that virtual currencies are a contemporary form of private money, while disregarding the bearish stance of several experts. Quoted saying, thanks to their technological properties, their global transaction networks are relatively safe, transparent, and fast. This gives them good prospects for further development. They remain unlikely to challenge the dominant position of sovereign currencies and central banks, especially those in major currency areas. In other words, cryptocurrency is not likely to replace fiat as a general means for transfer of goods and services rendered. As with other innovations, of which blockchain technology is a marvel of an innovation, virtual currencies pose a challenge to financial regulators, in particular because of their anonymity and trans-border character. Again, in short, they are saying it's going to be difficult. Cryptocurrencies, as I've said a multitude of times, is a completely different structure, and it is similar but not quite the same as anything else currently defined. Whether it's a store of value, a security, a utility, cryptocurrencies offer a wide range of diverse characteristics that are present in traditional markets, and it will be difficult for regulators to pinpoint and effectively address some of the issues that they perceive. Regulations are not adequate to ban the digital currencies completely. Financial regulations always lag behind financial innovations. One cannot have the illusion that it is the strictest regulations and bans that can entirely eliminate the use of venture capital as a means of payment in cases of private transactions, especially cross-border ones, or as a store of value, which is a financial asset in which some economic agents will be interested to invest. The cross-border harmonization of financial and tax regulations and the cooperation of financial regulatory authorities is never perfect, which will leave room for cross-border arbitrage. The report specifically pointed out statements made by a few of the experts on the death of Bitcoin and virtual currencies, calling them mistaken. No doubt, no one can deny the inherent benefit of blockchain technology. The consensus algorithm is a marvel of technology and should be treated as such. I also don't think it's going to replace fiat, but I do think it stands the opportunity to revolutionize almost every industry because it's so malleable. So many popular assets are addressing some serious chronic problems in their respective industries, and new assets are always coming online. Month after month, there never seems to be a dull moment, even though the markets are down right now, and the weaker the hands, the lower the morale, but the hardcore cryptocurrency enthusiasts still sees something in this. And I say all the time, keep fighting the good fight. We are weathering this storm, and we will likely be rewarded in kind for doing so. With the EU authorities claiming that virtual currencies respond to market demand and most likely will remain with us for a while, as well as companies and governments around the world either changing their perspective or continuing their development and investigation into blockchain technology. With a wide range of applications, Verge, Zcash, and Dash have now integrated into WooCommerce and WordPress, and it is slowly but surely becoming more and more prevalent that assets in the top 100 of the cryptocurrency market and even outside of that are really going to make a splash in their respective industries. And I will be here throughout the entire process covering all of the emerging changes. If it happens in this space, you can find it right here. So smash that like button, subscribe, click the white bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our content. Comment something of value along with your Bitcoin wallet address because I'd love to hear everybody's thoughts. And stay tuned till tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. My name's Landon, and until next time.